Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac ATS with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your physical key completely into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key clockwise to the start position and hold it there briefly. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position. This simple process gets you on the road quickly and efficiently. Sometimes your key fob battery might be low or completely dead. Don't worry, you can still start your Cadillac ATS. Look for a dedicated key fob slot, usually found in the center console or near the steering column. Insert your entire key fob into this slot. With the fob in place, firmly press the brake pedal, and then press the engine start/stop button. This method bypasses the need for a strong fob signal. If your Cadillac ATS isn't starting, there are a few common things to check. First, verify that your vehicle's battery has sufficient charge. A weak battery is a frequent culprit. Always double-check that your transmission is securely in park or neutral. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. If possible, try a spare key to rule out a faulty key. Before you drive off, remember these important safety tips. Always engage your parking brake when you stop, especially on inclines. Never leave children or pets alone in the vehicle, even for a short time, as temperatures can change rapidly. Always be aware of your surroundings before starting and moving your car. For any specific questions or detailed instructions, always refer to your Cadillac ATS owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.